really want to change something. I want to add something beautiful to this world.
Right.
Etiquette, it starts from home to outside, not from outside to inside. Nikilona benakab zamana kharaab hai.
Whoa!
The memory you create with the client is the reason why they become loyal to you. You cannot buy a loyal. It's built through respect.
Hello, this is Vocal for Local, and today our guest is Reema Khalil. She is international consultant in protocol and etiquette. Reema, hayyakum assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Slonich.
منيحة.
Mia.
Alhamdulillah bkhair.
This is such a nice thing, you're teaching etiquette to a lot of people, right? International consultant in protocol and etiquette. Tell me about your journey. How did it all started?
It's not easy. My journey, it didn't begin with a big decision. It's began with observation. They grow within me.
So.
And I have to tell you something that refined behavior opens door that degrees didn't, to be honest with you. Let me tell you one story that really opens that door to me. I used to accompany my mother to her medical appointments. And every time she sit with the doctor, they only want to hear a medical story. They don't want to hear about her feelings, or they call it drama. And I was thinking, how can this human feel comfortable and confident with the doctor if she didn't feel that the doctor, he's not only a doctor, but he's also a human,
right?
That he can feel her. And by the way, that's why private medicals, they are successful, because it's all about listening and laughter.
Right.
Yeah.
So then what happened after this journey? That was the beginning?
That click in my head, to be honest. And these small moments, small details that it affect, to be honest, yes. So I start from there, from training brides, organize weddings, teaching brides how to walk with their dress and how to set in etiquette style, till COVID came, destroy everything. I went through a very tough period in my life. And then, subhanallah, I rose again. Here I am, international consultant in protocol and etiquette.
MashaAllah. Actually, I think COVID was a time, a lot of people, they went to depression. COVID gave the hard time to a lot of people. But actually, as you said, you rose back and people fought back, and now they are. Wallah. So who inspired you to choose this career?
A story that happens. Listen, I noticed something that some people, they treat their families at home with coldness, angry, impatient. But when they went outside, they treat people politely, and they are laughing, they are listening. I'm sure you agree with me. So why is not our closest people that they deserve this behavior first?
Right.
Why we treat the outside people better than the inside at home? So that's why I was like, there's something need to be done for this. I don't know. I always like to take the lead.
Right.
I don't know why. So I was like, I really want to change something. I want to add something beautiful to this world.
Right.
Etiquette, it starts from home to outside, not from outside to inside.
Right. Reema, you must have trained thousands, hundreds of people in etiquette, right? So what are the three most common mistakes professionals make while dealing with clients?
The first mistake they make, they focus on the service more than they focus on the human that's in front of them. The client doesn't buy a product. They are buying a feeling and memory and respect. If you understand very well what they want, then you can give them the product. What makes this person buy the product? Because you made them feel something about it. So the first mistake is they think that the luxury decor or the service or the product is the best and the more important than
the customer itself.
Yeah, exactly.
Product itself.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The second mistake is interrupting. When you, for example, I'm sure it happens to you. You go to buy a perfume and you find these people, how they are not listening to you. They are forcing you to buy something that you don't even need. I don't know what is the right word to describe it, but it's unprofessional, to be honest. Because interrupting, I should to understand your Ved, what you want, what you're looking for. I am sure 100% if I give you my time and fully understanding and listening to what fragrance you are looking for or what exactly you need, next time when you come, you will look for me to serve you again, to host you again, right? Because I give you the attention, I give you the feelings, I give you the care. So this is all about hospitality and etiquette. There is one more mistake also that most companies, they are assuming they know what customer or client want. You will never
without
know.
Without listening.
You should to listen.
Yeah,
listen. Some people, they listen, but they don't understand what you're saying. But they are listen, prepare themselves to answer. No, you should to listen carefully to understand.
So you often talk about turning clients into loyal customers. Right. So what's the secret? Is it just a service or something deeper than that?
Well, you are asking a question that costs money, dear. Okay. From all these years I've been through, actually it's many things, but I can give you one secret. It's the memory. Memory. Yes. The memory that you create with the client is the reason why they become loyal to you. Yes, definitely. Because loyalty cannot be bought. You cannot buy a loyal people or make them loyal. It's built through respect.
And with the memories.
Yes.
Spanning good times.
It's the way you made them feel. Let me give you an example. I used to train medical stuff.
Right.
And I always say to them, each patient come to you, based on that story I told you about my mother, because I watch her feeling when we go home, how she feel. So I understand when the patient come to the medical, I know what they want to feel. Even if they are coming for derma, even if they are coming for plastic surgery, even if I coming for IV, for example, they are looking for something that you should to refill it. And take care of it and understand it. So that's why when I train the staff, I train them the body language of each customer, because some customers, they don't like you to talk to them. They need their own privacy. And some of them, they are looking for someone to make them laugh. And some of them looking for a good word. And if you understand all these cases, all these customers, then you are very professional and you understand what you are doing.
For our small businesses and startups, what do you suggest? What kind of protocols they should follow or etiquettes should be there?
Etiquette is not expensive, by the way. Etiquette, it's all about details. So as I mentioned again, it starts with 2 words, please and thank you. Some people, they don't understand how effective is this. When we say sorry, when we say excuse me, when we say please, it's very matter. It's very important. I can, only with these 3 words, I can give course for 1 week. Only with please and thank you, how to say it, when to say it. Yeah.
So for small businesses also.
Yes.
Please and thank you.
Yes, please and thank you, and be patient. Be patient. The secret is not an expensive workshop that I need to train all the stuff and I need to bring a company from another country and do this and do. No. The secret is it's a daily culture to your stuff. You should to create how to say it, routine for them, a daily routine to train them to understand how to deal with customers and clients.
Wow. You also train individuals on table manners. That's also very, very important part of etiquette. Table manners, social behavior, and professional posture. Which of these do people struggle more?
If I tell you, I would laugh. Table manners. Small details of how to hold it and the table management, consideration of the others during the table. It's very simple details. Simple action, but create very, very, very big impressions.
A rapid fire with Reema Khalil. Fork or spoon, your favorite tool?
Fork.
Karak chai in Doha or espresso in Paris?
Espresso in Qatar.
One celebrity you would love to train in etiquette?
Any celebrity that affect youth people.
What's the most elegant city in the world in your opinion?
Qatar.
One etiquette tip that Qataris do better than the rest of the world?
Hospitality.
Your favorite Bollywood actor?
A lot. I like Deepika and I like Salman Khan, Saif Ali Khan, and Shah Rukh Khan.
You also love Indian music, right?
Yeah.
Indian songs.
Yeah.
Okay, can we have a few lines?
Nikilona benakab zamana kharab hai.
Whoa!
I love that song. It's so calm and the words are very meaningful.
Your one favorite sport in Qatar since your childhood?
That's a beautiful question. Ice skating, ice figure skating.
Oh.
I'm very good with it.
Oh, nice, nice, fantastic. So, Reema, thank you very much for joining us on Vocal for Local. How can people in Qatar connect with you or learn from your training?
Thank you very much. That's very generous of you. They can through my Instagram and also through my WhatsApp.
So, guys, learn some etiquettes, be professional in life, and success will touch your feet for sure. Thank you so much, Reema. It was wonderful having you on show. Thank you.
Thank you very much for having me.